Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the RONBEI Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper. A must-have for new parents seeking convenience and comfort for their newborn. This versatile bassinet features 6 adjustable height levels, allowing you to seamlessly align it with your bed for easy nighttime feedings and comforting. The mesh walls ensure breathability and visibility, so you can keep a watchful eye on your baby while promoting healthy air circulation. With its easy accessibility, the side panel can be effortlessly lowered, making those late-night diaper changes or soothing moments a breeze. The straightforward assembly and disassembly mean you can store it away without hassle when not in use. Plus, the removable and machine-washable mattress cover makes cleaning a cinch, ensuring a hygienic sleep environment for your little one. Experience peace of mind and convenience with the RONBEI Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper, designed to provide a safe and comfortable sleep solution for your baby. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.